Hello everyone. Ever wonder whether your Chrome extensions are doing more than just enhancing your browsing experience? Well, listen up. Security researcher John Tuckner recently uncovered a cluster of at least 35 Chrome extensions exhibiting some seriously suspicious behavior. Now here's the kicker. These extensions have been installed on over 4 million devices. Yep, you heard that right. And most of them are unlisted in the Chrome Web Store, meaning they don't even appear in search results. But how did these extensions achieve such a large install base? That's unknown. And even more concerning is that 10 of them carry the featured badge from Google, a designation supposedly reserved for trusted developers. Something's definitely not adding up. These extensions request broad permissions, access to all your website data, cookies, browser tabs, and even the ability to execute scripts. That's like giving someone the keys to your house. While permissions like web request might be necessary for blocking malicious sites, others, like access to your cookies, are definitely overstepping. And get this, the code within these extensions is heavily obfuscated. This tactic makes it incredibly difficult to analyze and understand their true functionality. It's a classic move by malicious actors to hide their intentions. The extensions connect to several questionable domains, including one called unknow.com, which most of the extensions in question access. This domain serves as a link between them, raising even more red flags. Tuckner found evidence suggesting these extensions track user behavior, including browsing history. Imagine having a digital stalker. His analysis revealed functions designed to retrieve all cookies for a given domain, execute scripts from external URLs, and even redirect searches to Bing for revenue generation. Shady, right? One of the extensions, Couponomia, even shares code similarities with the suspicious group and uses AWS Lambda functions and Google Analytics. It's a Brazilian coupon extension, and while seemingly reputable, it raises concerns due to heavy user tracking. So, what can you do? Check the list in the description below this video. And if you have any of these extensions installed, uninstall them immediately. Sharing this information can help others avoid this fraud. As always, keep your browsers clean and your data secure. Thanks for watching.